Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable the Solana network on Metamask. Thanks to the new Metamask Snaps update, it's now made super simple. No need to manually enter RPC details anymore. So let's get started. First, you want to open up your Metamask wallet, either on your browser extension or mobile app, and make sure you're logged in. I'm currently using the Chrome extension. Now next, you want to head to the top left corner where the network drop-down menu is located, so somewhere around here. You want to click this drop-down, and you want to add account or wallet. As you can see, there's already a Solana account listed and listed as an option for you. So what you need to do is just select that, add account name, and then hit add account. Alright, now with the latest update, you'll see Solana in that list, just like what we did and what we saw. And just click on it and MetaMask will automatically connect to the Solana network for you. Once you select Solana, you'll notice that it becomes your active network inside MetaMask, as you can see here. And that means you can now start using Solana-based tokens, apps, and the apps directly from your wallet. And that's it. You've just added Solana to your MetaMask with a couple of clicks. And if this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and thank you so much for watching.